gabi, nag-ano kami ng mga term concepts about social psychology
Na applicable dun
sa
sa...
vicarious victims. Una po, yung self-handicapping.
What is self-handicapping?
I'm protecting the self-image.
Through
Dina-downplay na yun.
Behaviors that create an excuse for it.
Oo, like for example, if you have a test the next day, you will go to a party, and then when you get low, you will say na I got low kasi I went to a party, or I was sick, self-handicapping, sige, what else? So, you're going to talk, IVTV, IV, kunwari, yung self-handicapping, what about the DV of the vicarious? Do you understand the word vicarious? O ano?
Yung affected through parang emotional.
You're not directly affected, but you feel the same with them. Okay, sige. So,
Yung naisip ko mismo, yung self-handicapping niya, kumbaga, yung alam mo yung nararamdaman nila, di ba? Yung parang affected ka sa mga, kumari from typhoon, tapos ikaw yung ako yung vicarious. Tapos yung, alam ko yung nararamdaman nila, tapos alam ko yung idea na ganun, yung kailangan maging prepared ka. Yung parang inaano ko sa sense of preparedness.
hindi, sige. When you're talking of the sense of preparedness of vicarious, so that is your DV. Okay, the sense of preparedness of vicarious victims, kunwari. So, self-handicapping. So, ibig sabihin, alam nila na pwedeng mangyari yon, but they self-handicap. Okay, they do something else. So, when this happens, parang hindi sila sasabihin nila, hindi ako naka-prepare kasi. Will you compare that with those who are actual? So, lang ang vicarious lang. Okay, sige. What others? Kala mo may naisip ako. Sige, pero kala mo if you're going to talk about sense of preparedness of vicarious, you can use the theory of planned change, planned behavior. Yung tatlo, yung subjective norms, yung attitude towards the self-efficacy, towards the intention, towards the active behavior. Kasi nasa framework. Yeah, but you have to look for scales, or are you going to interview, ganon, quanti-quali. But most of the time, it's quanti. Kasi yung theory of yun.
Mix. I mean, kung quanti-quanti.
Pwede rin gawin yung quanti, oo. Kasi some people, most of the now, they do that, no? They have quanti, and then afterwards, they quali, they get the top, ganon, respondents dito sa ganon, or the list, and then they interview, and then they compare the results. Kaya mabusisi nga. Pero maganda. Gusto nila pumunta ng staff. Yung vicarious, yun naman, lahat naman. Ang ano lang nyo, mag-ano kayo ng konti, purposive. I don't know yun. Because you have to be very clear about your definition of vicarious. And that's where your selection will come in. So mag-isip kayo, ano yung vicarious? Kayo, mag-isip lang kayo. Kasi clear kayo, may literature kayo eh. May literature kayo, that's part of your RRM. Yun na nga, iba naman yun. Okay, the correlation between, kasi yung what do you call this? Pwede rin multiple regression na yan, you have different variables eh. As related to, is it predictive? Yan gano'n, di ba? Predictive of their actual behavior, those three. Yun, yung sa theory of planned behavior. Kung planned behavior, yun.
Planned behavior.
Pag-aralan nyo ang planned behavior by Hans Jen